In the year 2500, humanity stands on the threshold of an extraordinary era, a time when the boundaries of our known universe have been redrawn. The cosmic Voyager, a marvel of engineering and human ambition, is about to embark on a journey that will forever redefine our destiny. As Earth's old scars give way to hope and renewal, humanity has rallied under a common banner: exploration, discovery, and the promise of a future among the stars. At the heart of this audacious endeavor lies the cosmic Voyager, a spacecraft conceived not only as a vehicle, but as a floating ark carrying the dreams, knowledge, and spirit of an entire civilization. With its gleaming hull, sculpted by the combined genius of 24th century engineering and centuries of accumulated wisdom, the Voyager is designed to traverse the cosmic ocean with grace and purpose. Powered by an advanced antimatter fusion hybrid drive system, it promises to reach velocities hitherto considered unattainable, bridging vast distances in times that challenge our very concept of chronology. Inside, the vessel is a microcosm of human society: scientific laboratories, education hubs, vertical farms, recreation zones, and living quarters, all arranged in a meticulously engineered habitat ring that rotates to simulate Earth's gravity. Every detail, from the biometric health sensors integrated into the walls, to the self-sustaining ecosystem that nourishes both body and mind, has been crafted with one purpose: to ensure that as we venture into the cosmic unknown, humanity remains whole, vibrant, and ever curious. As countdown commences aboard the orbital launch platform above Earth, the stage is set for a journey that transcends mere travel. This is the age of exploration reimagined, a voyage where science, art, and the enduring human spirit converge to push past the confines of our solar system and write the next chapter in our cosmic saga. The final preparations are underway as the cosmic Voyager hovers above Earth's atmosphere, anchored to a colossal orbital platform that itself is a testament to human ingenuity. The launch sequence initiates with a synchronized series of commands, a digital heartbeat that resonates across control centers on Earth and within the ship's command deck. At T-minus 30 seconds, the spacecraft's antimatter fusion drive roars to life. In a dazzling display of plasma and light, the engines ignite with a brilliance that momentarily eclipses the stars beyond. Within the observation dome, spectators witness the unfolding spectacle, a fusion of art and physics, as the Voyager begins its ascent. The vessel's outer shell, layered with self-healing nanomaterials, shimmers as it accelerates smoothly away from Earth's gravitational clutch. Within the ship, a precisely choreographed ballet of artificial intelligence and human oversight takes place. The onboard computer, affectionately named Prometheus, runs continuous diagnostics and adjusts the engine's output in real time. The forward thrust mimics the comforting embrace of Earth's gravity, thanks to an early activation of the rotating habitat ring, which begins its gradual spin to simulate 1G conditions. Over the course of the first 72 hours, the Voyager's acceleration phase unfolds in carefully measured intervals. During this critical period, the spacecraft's propulsion system modulates its power output, ensuring that both the crew and the delicate onboard ecosystems remain undisturbed by sudden jolts. Detailed telemetry is beamed back to mission control on Earth, where scientists marvel at the precision with which the vehicle follows its planned trajectory. The rotating habitat ring, spanning over 800 meters in diameter, begins to generate artificial gravity by means of centrifugal force. This process, known colloquially among the crew as the gentle spin, is calibrated to create a stable environment where water, air, and even the most delicate plant life can thrive. Advanced bioregenerative modules recycle waste and purify water, while aeroponic gardens sprout a variety of nutrient-rich crops destined to sustain the generations to come. Crew members monitor communication delays, now mere minutes instead of hours, as Earth's voice becomes a distant echo. Every sensor, every gauge, every heartbeat on board is recorded in real time, a living log of humanity's bold leap into the future. This launch is not merely a technical achievement, it is a profound statement of purpose. With every second that passes, the cosmic Voyager carries forward a promise that humanity will not only survive but will flourish among the stars. Beyond the initial surge of the launch, the cosmic Voyager embarks on its acceleration phase with a measured determination. The antimatter fusion drive, now operating at peak efficiency, gradually ramps up the velocity of the vessel. Over the span of several days, the ship accelerates from a gentle push into the vast cosmic arena to reaching speeds approaching 6% of the speed of light, a velocity that will allow it to traverse the interstellar distances that lie ahead. During this phase, the ship's design and engineering brilliance become ever more apparent. The propulsion system, a hybrid marvel that harnesses both antimatter reactions and controlled fusion processes, converts minute quantities of antimatter into bursts of energy. These bursts are then moderated by fusion reactors, whose output is finely tuned by Prometheus. In the dim corridors of the engine bay, engineers monitor a cascade of data streams, plasma temperatures, reaction efficiencies, and magnetic field alignments, all orchestrated in a symphony of modern physics. Meanwhile, inside the habitat ring, the artificial gravity mechanism intensifies its spin. The ring's perimeter, lined with living quarters, research laboratories, and recreational areas, rotates at precisely 2.1 revolutions per minute, enough to mimic Earth's gravitational pull without imposing undue stress on the human body. Overhead, panoramic windows reveal the shifting tapestry of stars and cosmic dust, each moment a silent reminder of the journey's vastness. The acceleration phase also marks a period of rigorous scientific observation. Specialized observation decks are outfitted with state-of-the-art telescopes and spectrometers that constantly scan the nearby cosmic environment. As the ship's velocity increases, onboard astrophysicists record subtle changes in the cosmic microwave background radiation and the bending of light around interstellar gas clouds. These observations not only serve the immediate needs of navigation, but also contribute to a broader understanding of the universe's evolution in an era long past the classical Newtonian paradigms. Every day on board is meticulously planned. The crew follows a structured routine that includes scientific experimentation, engineering checks, and cultural enrichment programs. Educational modules project holographic histories of space exploration, while virtual reality suites allow passengers to experience simulations of historic voyages from centuries past, an homage to the intrepid explorers of old. In quiet moments, children born aboard the cosmic Voyager listen in wonder to tales of Earth, a world of blue oceans and green forests now receding into myth and memory. Yet, amidst the routine and scientific marvels, there is an undercurrent of philosophical reflection. With every kilometer traveled, the crew contemplates the nature of time and space. The effects of time dilation, while minimal at this stage, remind them that their journey is not measured solely in miles or years, but in the shared experience of humanity reaching for the stars. In the softly lit meeting halls of the command deck, discussions spark about the legacy of Earth's civilizations, the ethics of interstellar travel, and the cultural evolution that awaits when humanity finally finds a new cosmic home. As the cosmic Voyager accelerates deeper into the interstellar medium, it leaves behind the familiar blue of Earth and enters a realm where space itself seems alive with mystery. Here, the boundaries between physics and philosophy blur, and every data point recorded by the ship's sensors becomes a testament to the enduring quest for knowledge. In these moments of steady acceleration, the crew's resolve is forged anew, and the vessel itself becomes not just a machine, but a living symbol of humanity's eternal drive to explore. After days of relentless acceleration, the cosmic Voyager reaches its designated cruising velocity, a constant pace of 6% the speed of light that it will maintain for decades as it journeys into the unknown. In this phase, The ship transitions from a state of dynamic acceleration to a prolonged period of interstellar travel, where onboard life becomes both routine and extraordinary. The habitat ring, now fully spun up, offers a comfortable environment where gravity mimics that of Earth. The interior of the ring is a marvel of modern design living quarters interlaced with communal spaces, laboratories, and verdant gardens. Every module has been designed for efficiency and resilience. Hydroponic systems flourish in climate-controlled biomes, providing fresh produce and oxygen for the ever-growing population. The ship's ecological network is a closed-loop system, balancing human needs with the regenerative power of nature. Within the ship's bustling corridors, diverse communities form. There are scientists collaborating on research that spans astrophysics to genetic engineering, educators teaching the next generation of explorers, and artists capturing the wonder of space through holographic murals and interactive exhibits. The Cosmic Voyager is more than a vessel. It is a self-sustaining city adrift in the cosmos. Daily life is punctuated by communal meals, cultural celebrations, and scientific symposiums held in amphitheaters that overlook the rotating panorama of stars. Population growth on board is carefully managed. When the Cosmic Voyager departed Earth, it carried 2,400 hand-selected pioneers. Over the decades, this number is projected to double, reaching nearly 5,000 individuals. Strict population protocols ensure genetic diversity and resource balance. Reproduction is a matter of meticulous planning. Every new birth is celebrated as a milestone in humanity's interstellar odyssey, with each child's name chosen to honor both ancient traditions and futuristic ideals. Medical facilities on board are equipped with advanced nanobot therapies, gene editing stations, and AI-assisted diagnostics. Regular health checks, combined with a strict regimen of exercise and balanced nutrition, ensure that the crew remains in peak condition despite the prolonged exposure to simulated gravity. The onboard biolabs continuously monitor microbial populations to preempt any disruptions in the delicate biosphere, an essential task when even the smallest imbalance could compromise the ship's self-sustaining ecosystem. The ship's central command hub, known as the Celestial Nexus, coordinates all aspects of life on board. From navigation and propulsion to environmental controls and population logistics, the Nexus is the beating heart of the Cosmic Voyager. Holographic interfaces and augmented reality displays allow crew members to access real-time data on everything from engine performance to atmospheric composition inside the habitat ring. The integration of these systems has fostered a culture of transparency and collaboration, where every citizen understands the interdependence of their community. Amid the everyday routines, the long-term implications of interstellar travel loom large in conversations. Philosophers and sociologists gather in virtual salons to debate the nature of identity when time itself is fluid, while poets find inspiration in the silent majesty of space. The effects of time dilation, though subtle at 6% the speed of light, become a topic of both scientific inquiry and personal reflection. With Earth's time slowly drifting apart from their own, the Voyagers have embraced a dual identity, one foot in the past of human heritage and the other stepping boldly into the future. In this cruise phase, the Cosmic Voyager is both a laboratory and a living testament to humanity's resilience. Every day is a blend of scientific progress, cultural evolution, and the timeless wonder of exploring a universe that, despite its vast emptiness, is filled with endless possibilities. Here, aboard this self-sustaining cosmic habitat, humanity dares to dream of a future where every generation not only survives but thrives among the stars. As the Cosmic Voyager advances deeper into interstellar space, the journey transforms from one of mere transit into an epic of discovery and wonder. The ship's advanced sensor arrays begin detecting anomalies in the cosmic background, glimmers of light from distant quasars, enigmatic nebulae glowing in shades unseen on Earth, and interstellar dust clouds whose composition hints at the remnants of ancient supernovae. These discoveries spark a renewed sense of purpose among the crew and prompt a series of scientific expeditions into the unknown. Specialized exploration pods, detached from the main vessel, venture into regions where gravitational forces twist light and time. These unmanned probes, guided by artificial intelligence and supervised by teams of astrophysicists aboard the celestial nexus, collect data that promises to rewrite textbooks. The probes capture detailed spectra of cosmic radiation and map the distribution of exotic particles streaming through the void. Their findings reveal that the universe of 2500 is far more intricate and dynamic than early space explorers could ever have imagined. Within the cosmic Voyager, dedicated research facilities analyze these findings in real time. Laboratories hum with activity as scientists simulate the conditions of distant star-forming regions, while engineers test new materials designed to withstand cosmic radiation. One groundbreaking experiment involves the creation of microscale wormholes, tiny, controlled distortions of spacetime that could one day serve as shortcuts for future interstellar travel. Though still in its infancy, this research is emblematic of the relentless innovation that defines the age of exploration. At the same time, onboard astronomers track the subtle interplay between time dilation and cosmic distance. As the Voyager moves steadily at 6% of light speed, onboard clocks record time at a slightly different rate from those on Earth. Although the difference is measured in minutes over days, the cumulative effect is both scientifically fascinating and profoundly symbolic. While generations on Earth may age more quickly, those aboard the ship experience time as a slower, more deliberate cadence, a temporal tapestry woven from the fabric of the cosmos. Cultural life on board adapts to these discoveries with enthusiasm. Virtual reality exhibitions recreate the cosmic phenomena captured by the exploration pods, allowing passengers to walk among the stars and experience the thrill of discovery firsthand. Educational programs integrate the latest astronomical data into curricula, inspiring children to envision careers as explorers, scientists, and ambassadors of a new cosmic order. Every new observation adds a chapter to the ever-growing chronicle of human achievement, a testament to the ingenuity that propels the cosmic Voyager ever onward. Yet amid the scientific triumphs, there are moments of introspection. In quiet observation lounges, crew members ponder the sheer scale of the universe and their own small yet significant role within it. They record personal log entries, reflections that merge scientific observation with existential wonder. "We are the heirs of Earth," one log reads, carrying forward the light of knowledge into the eternal night. Such sentiments echo throughout the vessel, imbuing every experiment and every discovery with a deeper meaning. As the cosmic Voyager traverses regions where the boundaries of known space blur into the uncharted, every sensor reading, every spectral line, and every data packet fuels the collective ambition of the crew. They know that their discoveries not only illuminate the cosmos but also spark hope for future generations. Hope that one day the mysteries of the universe will be fully unraveled, and humanity's place among the stars will be secured for all time. After decades of steady cruise and ceaseless scientific inquiry, the cosmic Voyager now enters the final phase of its long odyssey, a phase marked by both unprecedented navigational challenges and the increasingly evident effects of relativistic time dilation. As the ship approaches the edge of a newly charted star cluster known as the Helios Convergence, every onboard system prepares for the critical adjustments required for safe passage and eventual deceleration. In the Forward Command Module, engineers recalibrate the propulsion systems to initiate a gradual reduction in velocity. The antimatter fusion drive, once the engine of relentless progress, is now being gently throttled back in preparation for the intricate deceleration maneuvers. This process, governed by the immutable laws of physics, is executed in stages designed to minimize stress on both the spacecraft and its precious cargo of human life and scientific heritage. Meanwhile, the habitat ring's spin is adjusted to accommodate subtle shifts in centrifugal force as the ship's speed changes. The artificial gravity, which has been a constant companion throughout the journey, is recalibrated to ensure that the onboard ecosystem remains stable even as the gravitational interplay with distant celestial bodies begins to exert its influence. The crew's training, years of simulation and study, proves invaluable as they manage the delicate balance between engine thrust, spin dynamics, and the ever-changing gravitational gradient of interstellar space. Communication between the cosmic Voyager and Earth, already subject to significant delays, now spans several years. Each data packet, each carefully composed message is imbued with the weight of centuries of progress and sacrifice. Command centers on Earth and on board the vessel exchange updates on the ship's status, while historians and scientists debate the implications of these time discrepancies for both cultural continuity and scientific accuracy. In one virtual roundtable, a leading astrophysicist remarked, "Our journey is as much a voyage through time as it is through space." On board, the phenomenon of time dilation takes on new significance. Though the crew has long accepted that their personal clocks tick slightly slower than those on Earth, the approaching Helios convergence magnifies this disparity. Detailed simulations predict that while the cosmic Voyager may experience a handful of extra decades in the coming centuries, millions of years might pass in the external universe. Such calculations are both awe-inspiring and humbling, a reminder that while humanity clings to its dreams and memories, the cosmos marches onward in silent majesty. As the navigational team plots a course through a labyrinth of gravitational fields and interstellar debris, a series of automated drones are deployed to scout ahead. These agile probes, equipped with high-resolution imaging systems and radiation shields, traverse the perilous regions near the cluster's boundary. Their data help chart a safe passage, steering the Voyager clear of rogue asteroids, dense gas clouds, and stray comets that could imperil the delicate balance of onboard systems. In the midst of these technical adjustments, the cultural heart of the ship beats strong. A special ceremony is held in the main atrium of the habitat ring, a moment to honor the passage of time, the sacrifices of past generations, and the bold promise of future exploration. Elders recount the early days of the journey, their voices mingling with the soft hum of rotating gravity and the distant beeps of sensor arrays. Children, wide-eyed and curious, listen intently as holographic storytellers project images of Earth, a planet that seems both ancient and impossibly near in memory. The final approach to the Helios convergence is a delicate dance of precision and intuition. With the deceleration burn scheduled to commence in just 15 days, every system aboard the cosmic Voyager is pushed to its operational limits. The engineering teams, ever vigilant, monitor engine performance and structural integrity as the ship prepares to slow down from its interstellar sprint. In this charged atmosphere, every heartbeat, every whispered hope, and every calculated risk converges into a singular focus, safely ushering humanity into its next great chapter. In the final days before arrival, the cosmic Voyager begins its deceleration sequence. The engines, now oriented in reverse relative to the original thrust vector, fire in a controlled, graceful burn that slowly diminishes the ship's velocity. The habitat ring, having provided the steady embrace of artificial gravity for centuries of travel, is prepared for its final adjustments as the spacecraft prepares to enter orbit around a newly discovered cosmic sanctuary, a star system where conditions hint at the promise of a habitable world. As the countdown nears its conclusion, the crew gathers in the command deck, their faces illuminated by the soft glow of holographic projections that display the approaching frontier. In these final moments, every individual on board feels the weight of history and the thrill of possibility. They have journeyed far beyond Earth's cradle, through the depths of space and the currents of time, to arrive at a new cosmic horizon. With the final deceleration burn complete, the cosmic Voyager slips into a stable orbit around its destination, a luminous, gentle star whose light bathes a verdant blue-green planet in promise. The communication delay with Earth now spans years, and yet the message is clear: humanity has arrived. In a moment of transcendent unity, a transmission is sent back, a declaration of hope, discovery, and the unyielding spirit of exploration that will forever define the age of cosmic Voyagers. The cosmic Voyager, its engines quiet and its mission fulfilled, now becomes the foundation for a new chapter in human history. On board, the crew prepares for the transition from interstellar journey to planetary colonization, confident that the sacrifices and triumphs of the past have paved the way for a future where humanity can flourish among the stars. The age of exploration, in the year 2500, is not merely a voyage. It is the rebirth of a species determined to leave its indelible mark on the cosmos.